Good morning, Montfortians. I hope so you all are fine and your work is also completed up to exercise 10.6. So today I am starting exercise 10.7 and this exercise is on statement sums. So look here, I am starting with the first question. The first question is a train covers 75 km 265 meter in the first hour and 78 km 486 meter in the second hour. Find the total distance covered by the train in these 2 hours. So what they are saying, we have to find the total distance covered by the train. When the total word is coming, what we have to do? Addition. So how to write in the statement? Always use the simple statement like distance covered in first hour. How much given? 75 km 265 meter. Then distance covered in second hour, 78 km 486 meter. Now total distance covered, one side write in the kilometer column and one side meter column and write now 75 kilometer 265 meters. So 75 will come in kilometer column and 265 in meter. Same 78 kilometer in kilometer column and 486 in meter column. Done. Now do addition from the left side. 6 and 5 11, 1 here 1 carry. 6 and 1 7, 7 plus 8 15, 5 here then 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7. Done. Now come on this side. 5 plus 8 13, 3 here 1 carry. 7 and 1 8 and 7 15. So this is 153 kilometer 751 meter is the total distance covered by the train, right? Now move on to the second question. A van is carrying 265 kg 750 gram of potatoes and 138 kg 450 gram of onions. Find the total mass of the potatoes and the onion. Mass means the weight, right? So mass of the potato is given 265 kg 750 gram. Mass of onion is given 138 kg 450 gram. Total mass we have to find. So what we have to do? Addition. Same way, write in the one column kg and one side gram. 265 kg in kg column and then 750 gram in gram column. Then add down 138 in kg column and 450 in the gram column. Now do addition. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, 0 here then 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8, 8 and 4 12. So 2 here then 1 carry. 5 plus 1 6, 6 and 8 14. 4 here then 1 carry. 6 1 7 7 and 3 10. 0 here then 1 carry. 2 1 3 and 1 4. So the total mass of the onion and potatoes are 404 kg 200 gram. Now question number 3. Shania bought 105 meter of rope. She used 53 meter 40 centimeter and find the remaining length of the rope. So the total length of the rope is given how much? 105 meter, right? And from that she used 53 meter and 40 centimeter. So what they are asking, find the remaining length of the rope. Remaining length means we have to do subtraction. What is the left? So what you will write? Meter and centimeter column. Meter is given here 105 meter, but in centimeter nothing. So what we can write here? 0 0. Then 53 meter. So this was the total length. Now from this we are subtracting the used length of the rope. So that is 53 meter and 40 centimeter, right? Now we have to do subtraction for finding the length of the remaining rope. So 0 minus 0 0, here 0, 0 cannot subtract 4, so 0 will take borrow from 5. So this is now 10, 10 minus 4 6. Here 4 left, 4 minus 3 1. 0 cannot subtract 5, so 0 will take borrow from 1. So this is now 10 minus 5 5 and here 0. So the length of the remaining rope is 51 meter and 60 centimeter. Now question number 4. A drum full of rice weighs 316 kg through 230 gram. The mass of the empty drum is 21 kg and 765 gram. Find the mass of the rice in the drum. So actually what the question is saying, the drum full of rice weigh means if we are keeping the rice in that and the empty drum weight also, that is equal to the drum full of the rice weigh. So total weight of the drum full of rice, how much given? 316 kg 230 gram. This was the weight of the drum when we kept that rice in the drum, right? When the drum was filled with the rice, that time the weight of the drum was this much. And the weight of the empty drum, empty drum means if there nothing was there in the drum, so that time 21 kg and 765 gram. We have to find now what is the weight of the rice in the drum. So if the total weight of the drum plus rice, from that if we are subtracting the weight of the empty drum, so weight of the rice is one side we have to write kg column and one side gram column. So 316 kg and 30 gram of the total weight of the drum that is full of rice. From this we have to subtract the weight of the empty drum, means 21 kg and 765 gram. Now subtract. 0 cannot subtract 5, so it will take borrow. So this is now 10 minus 5, 5. Here 2 left, so 2 cannot subtract 6, 2 will take borrow from this 2. So 12 minus 6, 6. Here 1 left, 11 cannot subtract 7, so it will take borrow from this 6. Now 7 minus 7, 4. Here 5 left, 5 minus 1, 4. Here what left? Here 1 is only there, 1 cannot subtract 2. So it will take borrow, so 11 minus 2 is 9. And here 2, so 2 minus 0, 2. So weight of the rice is 294 kg and 465 gram. Now question number 5. My water bottle had 1 liter of water. I drank 775 milliliter. How much water was left in the bottle? So you know that what normally we are using a water bottle that is of 1 liter. So similarly we are using, if we drank from that 775 milliliter, so what was the water left in that? What is the quantity of the water left in the bottle? So how we have to find? By subtraction. So what we have to write? Water left in the bottle, one side liter, one side milliliter. This is 1 liter, but milliliter value nothing is there. So what we can write here? 0, 0 and 0. And then how much I drank? 775 milliliter. So in liter 0, 775 milliliter will come in milliliter column. Now start subtraction. 0 cannot subtract 5, so it will take borrow. From where? Firstly from 1. 1 given this borrow to this 0, so this is 10. Now 10 will give borrow 0 here, so this is 9, this is 10. Now this 0 will give borrow here, this is 10, this is 9. Now 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. And here 0 minus 0, so nothing's here. So what we can write? 0. So what is the answer? How much water left? 225 milliliter. Now question number 6. Mr. Sen made a fruit salad. He used half kg guava, 1/4 kg apples and 3/4 kg of banana. What is the total mass of the fruit used? Now total word came. So what we have to do? Addition. So first how we have to use? Guava used in the fruit salad. How much? Half kg. Apple used in the fruit salad? 1/4 kg. Banana used in the fruit salad? How much? This is fruit. This is 3/4 kg. So but we know the half kg is equal to 500 gram. 1/4 kg is equal to 250 gram and 3/4 kg is equal to 750 gram. So like this all gram values we will use in the question. Now total mass of the fruit used. How much used? Half kg plus 1/4 kg plus 3/4 kg. Now keep the value. Half kg means 500 gram plus 1/4 kg means 250 gram plus 3/4 kg means 750. Now add here one side kg and one side take gram. So in gram kg nothing is there, so we have to keep 0. Now here 500 gram, 250 and 750. Add it. 0, 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 here, 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 to 8. 8 and 7, 15. 5 here. Where 1 will go? In the column of kg. So 1 plus 0, 1. So what is the total mass of the fruit used? That is 1 kg and 500 gram. If you will write your answer like this, that is also correct. But if you want to convert this 500 gram into kgs, then you can use 1.5 kg like this. Right? So this answer is also correct and this answer is also correct. You can use any method. Now the question number 7. From 1 liter of milk, grandma gave 350 milliliter of milk to the dog and 175 milliliter of milk to the cat. How much milk was left? Means firstly the total milk was 1 liter. From that the grandma given to the dog 350 milliliter. So gave milk to dog this much. Then gave milk to cat 175 milliliter to that cat. So what is the total quantity given to the dog and cat? Total milk gave to dog and cat is 350 ml plus 175. So how much given? 525 milliliter. Now this much total milk given, and earlier the total milk was 1 liter. So now the left milk how we can find? By the subtraction. So one side liter and one side milliliter. Firstly given 1 liter, so 1 milliliter, nothing is there, so we can have to use here 0, 0 and 0. Then how much given? 525 milliliter. So that will come in the milliliter comma and liter comma 0. Now subtract. Again 0 cannot subtract, so we will take borrow from 1. So firstly 1 given borrow here. So this is 10. Now 10 will give here. This is 10. Now this is 9. Now this 10 will give here. This is 10. Now this is 9. Now subtract. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. And here 0 minus 0. So the my milk left was 475 milliliter. Like this you have to solve these sum. Complete the work in your notebook and do practice of the same. Thank you.